everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm just starting out this channel. My name is Nicole and this is my little boy Didier. I decided to do a 3-month update. This is the first update I'm doing because I've only just started this channel, but I just wanted to kind of document what he's been getting up to. So he is currently 14 weeks, so he is just over 3 months. He is a little darling. He is so good. He is the happiest baby I think well, as you know, I don't really know that many babies, but he's just so good. He's such a little sweetheart. I haven't had him weighed in a while since the last health visitor came. I really need to go get that done. But we know that he's hitting 60 centimetres on the little app. We have like measured him. I'm currently using the app Ovia, not Octavia. So yeah, Ovia, we've been using that app and just checking, keeping up with his milestones and things like that. He's currently, he's weighing well. I know he's putting on weight. He is currently formula fed. We've just swapped him over. And he's taken to it quite well. At the beginning, not so much. He was quite refluxy, but he's done really well. He also, he's growing out of all of his 0 to 3 clothes. This week I've just had to swap them over. This one is a 0 to 3 and it's starting to get a little bit tight. So yes, I think once this comes out of the washing machine, it is definitely going in my massive pile of clothes that he's outgrown. So yeah, at the moment he is in 3 to 6 clothing. He is so, like I said before, he is so happy. He's so happy, always smiling, always laughing. When it's more like whenever he sees his dad, he's always got the biggest smile for dad. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? What are you laughing at? What are you laughing at? Oh! His hair is coming in as well. At first we just kind of joked that he's like a little old man because it was only just, he had lots of quite thick hair at the back and then he's just kind of like not really coming in at the top. He started to hold things, grabbing onto things and letting go. His hand will just kind of grasp and then he'll cling onto it. Especially this. We started to give him a little teething monkey. This is like a matchstick monkey. I think it was £8 or £9, I think. And he has loved starting to like nibble on this and hold onto this, especially his fingers can just get around that a little bit. He loves that. Yeah, what are the other toys? He loves this Lamar's toy. What's that? Oh, you know that sound, don't you? No, not interested. He's just come to that age where he absolutely loves it. The sound. Oh, there we go. Got your attention now. And these the wings here are like plastic, and so they're good for him to like just nibble on. So he's been really enjoying those at the moment. I've been taking him swimming since he was 5 weeks, and I think the swimming has really helped his like physical development. Obviously it would, but he's just so strong. He's been able to hold his head up since I couldn't tell you the exact how old he was, but he's just been amazing with that. At the moment he's really dribbly. I'm not sure if he's starting to teeth. I know that your teeth move around in your mouth at this age, so it could be that, but I noticed that he is quite red cheeked and blowing lots of bubbles. So yeah, along with the dribbling, he's also chewing his fists. So he's just kind of found his hands a few weeks ago. It's so funny to watch when he's like, his hand will just go up and he's like, so funny. But yeah, so he's always chewing and dribbling on that. For sleeps, he is amazing. He's really, really good. I haven't really started to put him into a routine. I just started putting him down whenever he got tired, and then I just noticed that it was at the same time every single day. Like he likes a routine, he likes a set routine. So he starts to get hungry around 5 o'clock at night, in the evening. So I give him a bottle at around 5, and then after he's had the bottle, I burp and have a little play with him, and then after that he just gets tired, so I put him down at around 6 o'clock. And then at the moment he's starting to wake up at around 10:30, 11, so we'll give him a bottle then, and he'll go back to sleep, and then he doesn't wake up until 6:30. So I love that. And so the other thing was his 12-week jabs. He hasn't had his 12-week jabs. When I rang up to, I couldn't make it. So when I rang up to swap it around, or change the date, they were like, oh, you've actually missed it. It was this morning. So when I thought it was the 5th of April, it was actually the 3rd of April. So top mum points there. But so yeah, he's going to have those in a few weeks, and I am dreading it because I've heard that those ones are supposed to be a bit worse, because I guess they're just more aware than he was at his last ones. As for me, with postpartum, I'm feeling good. I'm back to myself. I've also bought some nice kind of new gym wear to make myself, to feel a bit more motivated. So I've done that, and I'm just going to start watching some postpartum exercise videos on YouTube. So that's my plan, just to get back into that, like the health and fitness, make me feel better. That's what really I need, really. We started combination feeding just because it was just a bit easier for me, and I felt awful at first, but it just made me feel so much better. So, and of course, if you're not feeling great when you're breastfeeding, you might be giving him all the goodness of your milk, but if you're tired at the end of the day, you need to see what's best for the both of you. So I moved on to combination feeding, and now I am full on, he is full on formula feeding. But aside from that, yeah, everything's good. The other thing was, I got cleared by my midwife and the health visitor. I think it's just the midwife. But my tummy is still a tiny bit sore. I noticed that after I had the baby, obviously, it was quite sore, but even a good couple of weeks in, I'd just be leaning at the sink and at the countertops on the sink, and I'd be washing the dishes, and when I'd just be leaning against the counter, I just noticed that I was pretty sore along like my abdomen. And now it's not as painful, but it still kind of just hurts a little bit. So but I'm sure that'll go soon. But yes, thank you for watching. That's kind of the end of it now. I've just put him down to bed because he's getting a bit grumpy, and I think I'll do it again when he's 6 months. So by then we will be in our new home down in the Cotswolds, so I'm looking forward to that. He'll have another nice room, and after we're settled in there for about 3 weeks, that's when we're going to start to put him in his bed, to sleep in his own cot at night, because at the moment he still sleeps in with us. Like, he has his naps in that cot, but I'm dreading it. But yeah, so anyway, thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and like I said before, this is all very new to me, I've only just started this channel. I'm filming on my phone. I haven't got any fancy camera equipment at the moment, so thank you so much for just watching. So if you did like it, just give it a like, and just let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you, and see you soon.